My name is Justin Lee, and I'm from Rockford, Illinois, near Chicago. I'm about 90 miles northwest of Chicago. My major is web page design. I'm going into these classes to be able to learn more about creating and maintaining your own web design. I have served a mission in the St. George, Utah mission. It's hard to believe that I've been home for almost 5 years now. I am currently working at Golden Corral as a cook. Sometimes it is hard to believe that I've been there for 4.5 years. I can do pretty much anything there. I cook, clean dishes, with the salad bar. I've pretty much done everything there. I am taking this class because it is required for me, and it does look like it will help me towards creating web design. My long-term goal is to be able to open my own business and to create people's web pages and help them to have the design and be able to do that with people. Something unique about me is that I can play the trumpet. I've done that for a long time. I've played in high school all 4 years in the marching band, jazz band. Played a couple, one musical, I guess, at the high school. The greatest strength that I can bring to this class is to be able to talk with people and help them and to learn and grow with people. A strength that I have is that sometimes it's busy for me because I'm not always available. I work a lot and it's hard to keep up with people, but I can do my best to be with people. I look forward to meeting with each and every one of you with this class and this semester, and hope that we can all do the best that I can.